Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to iGyan. In the last video, you saw that I got my car wrapped in PPF and also added the heat rejection film on all the windows. And I'll have my experience on those in a little bit. In this video, what we're going to do is do my final touches to the car, so some customizations and some accessories. So I'm going to walk you through everything that I'm changing in this car or adding to this car. So let's quickly get into it. So the first thing I'm installing are going to be these valve caps. So you can see these are from Mercedes-Benz and they are around 3,000 rupees. So they're just caps for the tires. So let's quickly do that. So this is what they look like. Pretty fairly simple. One would say, why would you pay so much for valve caps? And I would say, I don't know. But they basically go on the car like so. And make them snug, so they ensure that air does not leak out of this, and in this case I have nitrogen. And then you get the Mercedes logo. This is the pack they came in. These are the old caps. They're basically plain silver ones that come stock, so you can install these, and I've got them now on all the tires. So we are also installing this. This is the official Mercedes-Benz perfume, and it diffuses the perfume into the cabin ever so often. This one is called Bamboo Mood, but it is available in a few different flavors. So let's quickly get this out. That's the perfume you get. That's it. And this thing is like 5,000-6,000 rupees. But let's install it in the car. So here I can turn on the air freshener, and it will automatically then diffuse the air freshener into the car over a period of time. And I can also turn it off if I don't want it. So I'll keep it off most of the time, but if I need it, I can turn it on from here. So one thing I want to really stress about is the Air80 film. Even on a really sunny day, you can have even the sunroof curtain off and the car doesn't heat up at all. In fact, even the glass doesn't heat up to the touch, which is really fantastic, and it really solves the purpose of preventing the car from heating up. Now it's been a month or so with the Valor film as well, and you can see that the gloss on the PPF is super fantastic. And because of the way it's been tucked in, you can't really tell it has PPF on it. And in fact, the surface of this PPF is super slippery, which also prevents it from getting dirty really quickly. Okay, so you can see that we've got the Lumar's catalog over here, and the Air80 film is what we've got. And in this, you can see there are some metrics here. And importantly, 100% of UV light is rejected, or ultraviolet rays are rejected. Then the total solar energy rejection is what we need, and it says 43%. And it also shows the 86% red heat, which is the thing that makes the car really hot. And it's been working really well, and I just wanted to verify these numbers. So we've got this meter over here that will test all these and verify whether what Lumar is saying is actually correct. So they say visible light transmission 77, it's showing 76 almost, which is great. UV rejection, it shows 100%, and they claim 99 or more than that. And then infrared radiation or heat rejection is 88.9%, which is great. So that's the infrared heat rejection actually, and so that's almost 89%, and they claim only 86, so it's better than that. And then we have TSER of 51%, and they're actually claiming only 43 over here. So this film is great, excellent, and if you're looking for something for your car in the summer heat, I would highly recommend it. So now we're activating the warranty for the Lumar Valor on the Lumar India site. So Sunny is doing the activation, and you can see it's the Lumar Valor. We've got 12 years of warranty. So anytime I want to check the length or my remaining warranty, I can go to the Grass Eye website, which is Lumar's India website, and check the status of my warranty. So I got this little thing, and this has a motor in it. So wherever you put it, it auto suctions and captures on, which is great for this large screen. And then if you have a phone with MagSafe, you can attach it to that directly, which is excellent. And it keeps pumping, and if you want to release it, you just press this button and it sort of releases. So this is pretty cool. I'm going to show this in a top tech video, but we are getting full PPF on this glass, and you can see you can put your own custom logos in this car. But on this entire glass, because this is a large piece of glass, we're going to do a full PPF on this as well. So let's quickly get into that. So you can see we've got custom mats. They call them 7D, 8D, whatever. But we got these custom mats. We actually found them on Amazon. but the guy is actually in Delhi. He came over and got these custom sized for the car because not a lot of people get mats made for this. So these are actually great because they do contrast just like this. It's slightly darker than this color, but it looks nice. And you can get this black piece in the middle, which basically captures all the dust and dirt. You can see it's pretty dirty down there. Or you can remove it if you want. I've only kept it for the driver's seat, and you can see in the back, I've removed it. And actually, they were good enough. They don't usually do it, but for us, they did it for the trunk as well. So this is really nice. So now what we are doing is there were a lot of things left to be blacked out. I want to black out this car as much as I can. So we're going to start off with the emblems, and we're going to start off with the hood emblem, and then we're going to go to all the other emblems and completely black them out. So now that we're done with the hood badge, what we're doing next are these emblems. So we're going to do this one on the window. And then we're going to do these ones at the back. We're going to try and do this one. It doesn't seem very easy, but we're going to replace these out and black them out. And then there's one more thing that we are blacking out, which I really wanted to black out, are these. So I don't really like this chrome bit. So we're going to black this out as well. This chrome bit. These are custom pillows to match the interior of the EQE, and we've got some for the front as well, and we've got these for the back as well. So on the front they had to be customized even further, but they fit really well on the car and they look amazing, and more importantly they feel really comfortable when driving. You probably didn't see this in the video, but we also blacked out the front badge and it looks super menacing. And one thing I wanted help with is that we blacked out these door handles, but should we paint them in the car color? Because originally they're chrome like this from the outside, and black looks nicer than the chrome, but I'm wondering if when they're flush, body color would look better. Let me know in the comments. So that's it. That's everything I wanted done on my car. Everything that I wanted blacked out is now blacked out and it looks super sleek. I do have one or two little things that I want done, which I'll probably cover on Instagram. So go ahead and follow us on Instagram. If you like the video, smash like, hit subscribe, go check out Steam and Shine, and all the details for everything that I've done will be in the description below. So go check that out if you're interested, and I'll see you in the next one, guys. Take care. Nothing's new. You still make me feel the